Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is the Kizer T1 knife with green micarta handle and this 154 satin blade. Yes, this is what I've been wanting all along when I wanted the T1, and I was very hesitant for the longest time to get the T1 like this, and I kicked myself for that, just like I mentioned in that other video that I did of this, because this is actually one of the most enjoyable knives I've had in a long time. One of those knives where honestly I could keep the other ones as safe queens and have this in my pocket every day. I have used this tremendously, touches up incredibly with just a strop, and it's very comfortable. Great size, great feel, and it's been awesome. But I was not a fan of course, seeing a picture of a black blade. And again, kicking myself, when I got this one here, it all just kind of worked together with this nice stonewash black that they do on this finish. It's really been nice, and all the hardware and everything that comes with it really just works. And then, lo and behold, I was watching a video of Wayne Sharp World, thankfully, and he had this as one of the knives that he had just gotten, I guess, a stash of Kizers of, and I was like, oh my god. I instantly, while mid-typing my comment to say awesomeness, you know, that he put that on there, and what a find, I had to go to Amazon, and sure enough, it was available. And I did not hesitate, because this is what I wanted all along. A satin blade, which that's my preference. This does have all satin or stainless steel hardware. And it's got that nice, smaller, deep pocket clip with those recessed screws all in there. But this green micarta, fantastic. Just like the micarta on the black one, it's relatively a lot like it. But of course, maybe it'll get darker if I were to put some oil on it. I'm just going to leave it as is, really, for right now. Maybe let my fingers do it eventually. But let's get a closer look at this here, because this is definitely one of my favorite EDC knives. And now that I have this, with this basically what I wanted, I could not be happier. And as soon as I started just flicking it around and so forth, I noticed that the action is even smoother. It's smoother detent and so forth, flicking action and so forth. It's just, look at that, just drop shut. And the black one is it's also drop shutty, but I've found a little bit more of a struggle to get my finger placement just right to try to do a spidey flick with this, but still fires out super. And of course, this is again 154 cm, and it is so nicely ground and sharp and just really beautiful. Yeah, there it is, 154 cm. So this has all the same specs as the other one. It's basically identical to it. But there you go. Just wanted to get you to see the first look at that. It goes for the same amount of money. And I do now see that it's available in many other places. White Mountain Knives is one. I did get it off Amazon. And a quick shout out of thanks again to Wayne Sharp World, because if you do use his Mojave discount, even on Amazon, Wayne's World, all caps, I got this for like 71 bucks. So I was like, score. So there you go. It is really beautiful. Let's just get one more close-up look at this here. And Kizer, you can't go wrong with a Kizer, really. And look at that. It's got the milled liners, of course, and everything just marries up perfectly. And got that nice stainless steel back spacer lanyard loop. and it really feels nice. It's kind of got that almost sawdustish, kind of like dry, like coarse side of a leather belt kind of feel to it. And it's just really great. It is a great knife. And I'm so ecstatic that I was able to get this, and of course with Amazon I got it pretty instantly. Only a couple days and bam. But it is available other places. White Mountain Knives one. I did see it's even on eBay if you like using that. And also, another benefit, aside from the microfiber towel they give you, I like that they're giving you hardware now. Extra hardware. So I keep this in my hardware stash for if I ever want to do any kind of like modding of a different knife, or just take one out, lose it, got an extra. So there you go. And that is the Kizer T1 with the Satin 154 beautiful blade and green micarta. I'm Newcastle Ninja. Hope you liked the video. And please feel free to subscribe. Love to see your comments and a big old thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.